Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about column splitting in Excel. So just to give you an example, so if you look at the current data set that I have the state and I have the city name. So state is California, Nevada and Arizona, and then cities are separated by a comma in between. So this is just for an example. There are times when you have to split the column so that you have the city names in different columns. Instead of having just one column, you have to separate it out. So so the way they are separate, they are joined together is by comma. So we use it as a delimiter. So we make Excel understand that whatever is with a comma gets split into a different column. So let's go step by step. Each step is very important. So please perform these actions carefully. What we do is we select the entire data set. We do a control A and then we convert it into a table. How we do that is we press control and T as in tango key. So we get this pop-up for creating a table. So it is going to ask you for the range. So we have selected the entire range of the table, and then it asks you that in your selection, does it have the header name or not? So yes, my table has header name. So I'm going to check this box and I'm going to click on OK. So here it is, it becomes in the form of a table. After we have done this, we go on the data tab and then we go onto the get and transform data tab within the data tab, and then we click on from table slash range. So this is going to open the Power Query feature of Excel. What we do is we go on, so we have the state name and the city name here. What we do is we have to split the city, so we click on the city column header and then we go here split column. After clicking on it, we get many options on how we can split the column. So it's either by delimiter, by number of characters, by position. So we have the delimiter here. Delimiter here is comma. So it is going to ask you select or enter the delimiter. So comma. So there are basic symbols are already there. So comma, equal to sign, semicolon, space, and tab. So these are something that are extensively used in such kind of data. That's why Excel already has them. Otherwise, there is a custom feature also there. If in case it is separated by any other, let's say by by star or by a bracket, then you can use that as a delimiter. So this is for custom, but right now we have comma that is separating the data. So then the next thing is split at. So leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter, or each occurrence of the delimiter. So I want to separate each of the cities, so I'm going to select each occurrence of the delimiter and then we press OK. So here you see it has separated city 1, city 2, city 3 and city 4. So we're not done right now. What we do is now we go here on close and load. So here it is. We have the data back into Excel. We went on to Power Query for computation. So it is back to our Excel and we have the data. Just in case if you're surprised that the data is coming in the same table format, we can just Control C. We can go on a new sheet and then we can right click and paste just the values. So here it is. You have the data back again in the same format which we started with. So here it is. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.